Hi, my name is Jenny Duffy, and I am here to show you today a beginning introduction level tutorial to using PixWriter. PixWriter is a great tool for written expression for students with a significantly impaired ability to spell or recognition of sight words. This uses a word bank, a customized word bank that's developed by the teacher or by the instructional assistant for the student to use, and the benefit of this program is that it includes picture symbols with the words within the word bank. So this is just a basic idea of how we can use PixWriter. And let's say we're doing a getting to know you activity for a student. And I could say, let's see, my favorite color is orange. And you'll notice that as I type the words in the editing box at the top of the page, the words become in buttons at the bottom in the word bank. Now this way a student can just click and listen to the word. I'm not sure if the audio is getting that the computer is saying the words as I push the button, but it will allow us to just kind of create a word bank that they can point and click to. Now, another thing that I like to do with these types of word banks is arrange the word bank in a successful left to right manner. So if I am anticipating their sentence is going to be my favorite color is orange, I might move around these words so that it kind of lends itself to arranging them correctly. And the way that I move them is I hold down the shift button while dragging. So that way the students will be more successful in going left to right. Now, one thing that I could do to make this a little bit more challenging is I could offer a choice of colors. So maybe my favorite color is orange, black, or blue. And again, I'm going to use shift drag. And now the student has to select which color is their favorite. So I'm just going to delete and kind of clear out my page up there. And I'm going to have my favorite color is blue. And this is really nice because then a student can print this out and use it as a tool for communicating with their peers. Or at the end of the day, they can arrange something like this and print it out, and it could be a nice tool for communication once they get home. An additional thing that you can do is to kind of use these same word banks, these same words, and expand on that same idea by, let's add some sports. My favorite sport is golf, baseball, or swimming. And I'm going to set it up. And again, I'm using shift drag. And I want to delete the top. And we can say my favorite sport is swimming. And that reads it aloud to me. And I can print it from this as well. Now, a couple handy keystrokes are, again, the shift drag to move buttons around. If I want to delete a button, I do control click. That will delete a button for me. In addition, if I shift click, it will duplicate a button. So maybe, let me control click this one. Maybe I've decided that it's too difficult for my student to say my favorite and then jump down here, say sport is, and then select this sport. So I can just duplicate it by shift click, and then I'm going to do shift drag to get it in. So obviously the possibilities are endless. If you have a grid that you're going to use over and over again, you can save it and just kind of save it to the desktop so that way the grid is there. And if you're really worried about it getting changed around by ambitious students, you can also lock this screen as well so that they can't make the changes to the word bank.